Hello, it's Bud. This lesson is on the 2D copy offset tool. It's part 1. This is part of the new package that was just introduced the end of June, 1st of July 2012. Let's come over and look at our designer screen, and let's make a rectangle. I guess I'm going to make it about 1 inch wide. By 2.5 long. There. So there we have a rectangle. Let's make it a carve area without doing much else to it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to the Copy Offset tool, click on it, and I get this selection screen. I'm going to start with Copy Horizontal. How many copies do I want? Let's say I want 5 copies, and I want them spaced 2 inches apart. And you see there what we're going to have. 5 copies in yellow, they're 2 inches apart. And the measurement is from the top left-hand corner in this case. So I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to turn off my grid lines so that you can see. So now I have 6 on exactly the same plane, same depth and everything, all in one. Okay, now I'm going to go up and I'm going to select all of these things, and I'm going to the offset just to show you the capabilities here, and I'm going to the vertical, and let's say I want 2 copies, and I want them, let's see, that was 2.5 inches. I want them like 4 inches apart. That's from the top of one to the top of the next one. And let's get this over here so you can see. 2 on the vertical and spaced 4 inches apart. And there we have duplicated all this stuff without having to do copy and paste. The one thing that we need to be warned of, let me just read the description from LHR. Copy offset. Create multiple copies of the selected carving with 1 or more carvings selected. Clicking the tool will bring up a control to set the direction, horizontal or vertical, the number of copies, and the spacing between copies. And the measurement is from the top left-hand corner of a rectangle. Copies are not independent. They will react the same as something that we have mirrored under the standard designer tools. Okay, so let me just select all of these. Well, wait a minute, let me just do one more thing here. Whoop. If I highlight this one or any other and go someplace where I move 1, if I move 1, they all move. Okay? Just like in a mirror. So the copy is probably not the best word to use. It's better, in my mind, we are replicating. We are not mirroring, we are replicating. But copy offset is the name of the tool. Let me get rid of all this stuff. And I can be lucky I don't have to highlight them all. All I have to do is highlight the master. And they're gone. For those people that do game boards, let's do a drill. And let's make it 1/2 inch. And I'm not worried about how it's applied in that respect. Okay. Horizontal. Let's do 5 or 6. Spacing. Again, let's do 2 inches. And let's see if they both work at the same time. This I don't know. Let's come down 4, and we'll do a 2 inches separation. And apply. By golly. And if I move this one, they all move. How about that? Now there is a reverse on both of these. I'm really not sure what it does. Let's see. Let's just go back here and make a drill. 0.5. And I think I know what it's going to do, but I'm just going to come over here and make sure. Okay. Copy. Let's make about 3. Do a reverse. And let's do a 2 inch. So you can see what I'm doing. Click OK. Yep. Takes them in the opposite direction. So I can do both. And that is the new 2D tool titled Copy Offset. And this is lesson 1. I hope you enjoyed.